Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone speakers not working. Your iPhone speaker may not work due to issue with the speakers itself or the iOS. Issues with your speaker might range from clogged speaker to faulty hardware itself. The problem occurs on all generations and versions of iPhone. It should also be noted that the problem often occurs after an iOS update. For the first step you should go for is force restart your iPhone. First thing, performing a forced restart of your device will rule out all temporary glitches that your iPhone may have. And the second step is update the iOS to the latest version. The speaker may not work if the iOS is not up to date and its dependencies are failing to execute. Here, updating the iOS to the latest build may resolve the issue. So go to your settings, click on general, and here you have the option of software update. Click on it and install update if it is available. And the next step is disable the iPhone's Bluetooth. The speaker may not work if the iOS of your phone has rotated its sounds a non-represent Bluetooth speaker. This may happen due to iOS glitch. In this case, disabling the iPhone's Bluetooth may resolve the speaker. So just go to your settings. Here you have the option of Bluetooth. So just turn it off and you are done. And the next step you should go for is the change iPhone sound setting. You may fail to hear the sound or loud sounds from the speaker if the iPhone's sound settings are not correct. In this scenario, changing the sound setting of your iPhone may clear the problem. So open settings, tap on sound, then check if the speaker has started to work correctly. If that did not work, now select headphone safety and enable reduce loud sounds. And then set the slider to 100 decibels, then check iPhone speaker and you are done. And the next step, disable the focus mode of the iPhone. The speaker on the iPhone may not work if your iPhone is in focus mode, as that mode does not loud sounds. Here disabling that particular focus mode may clear the problem. So launch the setting of your iPhone, scroll down and select focus. Now open the particular focus in use like do not disturb, then disabling it and then check if the speaker is working. And the next step, reset all your iPhone settings to the defaults. You may also encounter the issue at the end if some settings of your iPhone are not allowing the speaker to work. This change might have been done by you or by a third-party app. Finding such a setting is usually not that easy. Here, resetting all the settings of your iPhone to the defaults may clear the issue. So open settings and then click on general, scroll down, and here you have the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and then tap on reset and then reset all settings and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue. Also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thank you.